Oh, it's working. Yeah, oh yeah. Look at that shit, grind time.
Don't need
It's
no Cody.
all about that grind time. That's my own slow-mo. I don't even need slow-mo in this vision. I can just move slow-mo. Grind time. This one's for Cody. Is it working?
Step back.
Yeah,
oh,
hey,
yeah,
hey, there we go,
Hey, we're working.
Y'all, so welcome back to the Grind Time Shop. This vlog is gonna be a little bit different, all right? Because this week, Cody's out sick.
Yep.
You know, he's at home, he's not feeling great. So, he's resting up, he's getting better. But,
the show must go on, bro.
Yeah, and, you know, all the really awesome camera equipment we have and all the really good video angles and all the edits.
It's all Cody.
It's all Cody stuff, but
no worries.
Luckily, we are armed with a weaponized arsenal of Apple products, iPad,
iPhones,
and MacBooks.
Boom, baby.
Okay, so we got cameras for days.
So don't worry.
Don't worry.
Footage is still coming.
You're getting a vlog this week. It's just gonna be shot through the eyes of Chris and my boy
Alan.
All right, and then we're gonna send it over to Cody as a little get well present, so he can chop this thing up. It's gonna be great. All right, so stick around because this one's gonna be a hell of a lot of fun. All right, it goes out to Cody, y'all. Grind time. Yeah. Roll it.
I'm Cody. As you've heard, I'm homesick. I stole Alexis's desk because it's closer to the bed, and I don't want to make the walk to my studio. Thanks, guys. I will feel better, and I'll see you soon. Back to this footage.
All right, so tonight we're working on yet again amazing but super challenging DK Wholesale Florist camo shirts. All right, so these are on a Code 5 camo t-shirt made with conjunction with LAT Apparel, I believe, but honestly not my favorite LAT Apparel shirt because camo is a huge issue.
It sucks.
We had people tell us, you know, try to steer away from it. Camo sucks, it bleeds, the dye migration's a huge issue, like don't do it, don't do it, don't do it. Well, we're from the South and we like camo, and so do our friends, and of course we have a friend who wants some camo shirts for the flower company. What do we say? Yeah, we're gonna figure it out. Perfect time to kind of just do this, you know what I'm saying? So we ordered some of this great stuff here, which I have come to find out if you do not have, you will have dye migration issues. I'll show y'all a little bit. This clean, white, crisp image here looks amazing, don't it?
Yep.
That wasn't the first one.
Nope.
If you don't have that gray underblocker, your shit come out looking something like this. All right, see how you can literally see the camo through the shirt? It's because there's no underblocker there. These dyes in these camo shirts, they release like a gas, and it gasses out, and you can kind of see the difference very easily right there. You know, and the lighting, it's maybe a little bit hard, but you know, this one's not got a blocker, and it's got a very color tan.
The whole word is orange.
You know, it's not white anymore. It's kind of dingy and doesn't look good. All right, so we've been having nightmares, but luckily the front's all done. The backs, we're rolling these biddies out, and they're looking great. All right, tonight we finish up DK Florist.
Thank God.
Let's print, y'all. Alright, shirt's coming off the back. Temperature settings are looking good. We've temped this thing out. It's looking incredible. It's evening time for a nice frothy adult beverage. Oh, glorious. Perks of owning your own business.
Yeah, baby.
And I love Miller Lite.
Alright, well, we reached the point where they gave me vertical footage instead of vertical footage instead of horizontal. I don't really know what to do with it. We could do like black background, blurry background, zoom in, rotate the screen, film burns. I don't know. I think I'm just gonna stick with like the classic color map because I'm sick. So that's what you get.
I ain't seen you since Monday, I guess.
Well, technically, you saw me last night. We had band practice last night.
Goodness gracious, man. The days all start to bleed together after a little while, you know? You got your Honda shirt on.
Because I was working at the car lot today, bro.
That's hardcore.
My brother owns a car lot, and I'm down there helping him.
Hondas.
Putting in work before I got to go back to corporate America.
Yeah, I mean, I hear you there. Cheers. I'll tell you what I definitely will cheers to. We'll get a good one right here. Let me get the cap off my...
What are we cheersing?
Cheersing to next year. Hey!
The comeback year.
Oh, man. If Corona 21 happens...
Oh, my... Listen.
I'm losing it. I'm out. New game for tonight. You ready? You ready? Get your beer.
We're playing a game?
Get your beer. Yep. You ready for this one? I'm going to tell you a joke. If you laugh, you got to drink your beer.
I watched this segment. Just we're gonna keep it going.
DK Wholesale Florist Camo Nightmare has come to an end, and they look incredible. Front, left chest,
Full back.
super smooth, no dye migration. Looks incredible.
A little bit of a struggle, so just if you're gonna try it.
If you're gonna try it, plug away at it. I was also told by a person that we look up to a bit in the community of screen printing that this gray underbase doesn't last quite as long as some other inks, like as far as shelf life does. He says that sometimes the activated charcoal or carbons that are inside of it tend to break down and not work as well. So unless you're going to be doing a lot of camo, I wouldn't buy a ton of this at one time. Start out with a quart, just like we did. Super Armor Gray. All right, we picked it up from our friends over at Ryonet. So we appreciate it, but we are wrapping this thing up. It's a little bit earlier than we thought, so we're gonna pack these things and we're gonna scoot to the Waffle House. Waffle House, that's right, I said the Waffle House. That's where we're going because waffles are basically tiny circles of love on a plate, and sometimes you can inject that love with things like nuts, like pecans, or maybe chocolate chips, which is the route that I'm gonna go tonight. In this magical land of Waffle House as well, they stuff toast with cinnamon and raisin. We're going, all right? Waffle House, let's go, right now.
Yeah, I really want some waffles now, but...
All right, we have made it. I don't know if you can see this behind us. Waffle House.
That's it, baby.
We have arrived. Oh, I love the smell of Waffle House so much. Oh, the waffles, man. That's what it is. It's the waffles.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Neither one of us ordered a waffle.
I did.
Oh, you did?
Chocolate chip waffle.
Oh, bro, I didn't know you ordered a
With
waffle.
cinnamon raisin toast.
Yeah, I got a cheeseburger and hash browns.
It's gonna be good. It's a good show at Waffle House and don't realize that they don't have french fries.
I think I would prefer it this way, you know, hash browns with a cheeseburger rather than french fries with a cheeseburger.
Yeah, bro.
It's way fucking sweeter.
Big awesome part of life. The jukebox. All right. Well, I'd say that was a pretty successful evening. You know?
Yeah, we got a lot accomplished.
Knocked out some killer shirts. Knocked out tons of incredible, high quality, unmatched video content for Cody.
Yep.
And I mean, really, I think he's just gonna wake up tomorrow sick and be like, oh, these guys, you know? But really, we hope the guy gets to feeling better because we miss having him. It's really hard following ourselves around with the camera all over the place. Like,
sucks.
yeah, hire like robots to hang off of shelves
Gotta have
and
Cody
hold
back.
iPads. It's insanity. So, Cody, feel better. This one goes out to you. We love all y'all. Thank you very much. Make sure you like, subscribe, check out the channel, share it with your friends. Make sure you check out our podcast. Together We Print, Spotify, iHeartRadio, Apple Podcasts, wherever you get your podcast.
Your podcast.
Wherever you get your podcast, We the grind time, folks, and we out. Peace.
I